Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up our color inversion shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S22. To do it, we need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility Options, then Visibility Enhancements, and here we have our color inversion. And in here is color inversion shortcut. We can turn it on here and we can change how we will access this shortcut. So right now we have our option, our shortcut in accessibility button shortcut right here. Of course, we can change it to press and hold volume and up keys for 3 seconds, or side button and volume up keys as well, or either or. We can choose it from here. But right now we have this shortcut here. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.